And I mean, your book translates to "I am my only limit." Do you think that's another thing people need to remember? It's just get out your own way. It's to experience life rather than, I don't know, kind of hide in the shadows because you're afraid of stepping out and doing something. I don't know.
Yes, and that's the title of my book, because I said before, not everyone wants to do a triathlon around the world, and that's totally fine. But what I want to say with this title is that um, we can all do so much more than we believe. And when I was running across Mexico, there were thousands of people that were joining, and a lot of them they've never run that joined for 20K, sometimes some for 30, and some for the marathon. But there were a lot of people that told me they have never run that much before in their life as that day, because now they saw a purpose in it.
Hmm.
And it wasn't that hard, actually. In terms of running, I believe every person that doesn't have a disability can run a marathon, actually, without training. You just have to want it badly enough and believe in it. It's really not that hard. And this is the thing. You just have to be optimistic, believe in your skills, and do this very first step that may take yourself outside of your comfort zone. But if you do it, wonderful things will happen.